Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akib and I am a freelance web developer. In this video, we will learn about Stripe subscription API, how to implement Stripe recurring payment system in our website. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open Stripe subscription API documentation. Okay, Stripe API subscription API documentation in PHP. So we will use the PHP as a backend language. So click on first link. Okay. This is subscription API documentation. So we can read about subscription API, how it works. Okay. So here you can see it says create a subscription, create a new subscription, this is all the documentation you can read, but on the right side you can see that some code. So what we have to pass to the subscription API. So first of all, we have to create a customer ID that we need to pass with subscription, and second thing is we need to pass a product ID that users are going to subscribe. Okay, so first of all we have to create a one product in our Stripe dashboard. We can create this as well from API, but for this tutorial our main focus will be on only subscription API. So we will create this product from our Stripe dashboard manually. So let's go in Stripe dashboard. So let's get started. So here is my Stripe dashboard. Go in products. Click on add product. Here we need to specify the name of the product. Free subscription. Okay, documentation, just leave it as a blank. So here pricing, so how many we need to put and specify the amount that we need to deduct with subscription. Let's suppose we are going to with 10 and USD recurring payment monthly bill system. Okay, so click on save product. Okay, product has been created. As you can see, here is the price ID that we will use in subscription. Okay, so that's it. So this is my own local server that we will work on. Okay, so let's get started the work. First of all, we will create a template bootstrap card. So where user will click on subscribe, then we will show a form with the card details. So user will enter their card details and then click on subscribe. So we will process subscription API there. So let's get started. So here is my local server folder in which we will work. Here I will create a one new file. Index.php. Okay, before doing this we need to install a Stripe SDK. Okay, so let's get started. So let's install Stripe SDK with Composer. You have to open your command prompt. If you are using Windows, you need to go in your working directory my working directory, I will install Stripe SDK in this folder. So let's go on Google and search Stripe SDK PHP. Click on first link. I will mention these links in description so you can find easily. Scroll down. Here you can see composer required. You need to copy that command and paste it here and press enter. So now downloading will start. Okay, so Stripe SDK has been installed in our working folder. So let's get started. So what is next step? So we need to require a autoload file. Okay, first of all we have to create a one template. Now this is just a blank. So let's go on Bootstrap 4. First of all we will copy a Bootstrap CDN. Okay, so whenever someone click on this subscribe button, it will redirect to form.php where we will show the form. Okay, let's create a second page. Form.php. Okay, so we have two inputs and third input will be the card details, so that will Stripe give us, and at the last we will create a one button for subscribe. So let's create a button. After that we will come on Stripe card details. How can we get those card details? Let's create one for card details, so leave it blank for now. Second for button subscribe now. Okay, so now we have two inputs, our ready custom inputs ready, card holder name and email address. So now we will get a Stripe card inputs from Stripe. So let's get started. So you need to go on Google and search for Stripe accept card element.js. So click on second link. Okay, so here we will get a guide step by step. So first of all, we need to copy this code, and paste it in our head section. After that, copy this code, and paste it here. So here we need to pass our testing API key. So let's go back in Stripe dashboard. So let me go on my home page or view testing data. So here's my API keys. I just copy published key and paste it here. Okay, good. Go back on documentation, and second thing is we need to create a form. We have already created a form, but we just need to copy this ID payment form, paste it in our form page, form attribute, and after that copy this form row till this div and paste it inside this div that we have created for card details. Okay, so after that copy this code, paste it here. And after that copy this code, paste it here. And after that we need to copy this function as well, paste it here. Now we should have form card input ready. Refresh page. So I think we are missing something here. Actually this is ready. We need to design this. Let me do one thing here. Let me remove this form group and paste it here. Refresh. can see we have already card input. We just need to do some CSS work here. We need to copy this ID and go in top of our section. Okay, so now we have card detail as well. So now what we will do is we will create a one page process.php where we will process the subscription API. Okay, first of all, let's print our post data so we can make sure what we are getting in post. So here name, email, so we are using testing card, details. Subscribe. Okay, so we have CNAME and email and Stripe token. So let's save these variables in the post variables, and first one is name, so we will save in name. Okay, perfect. So now we have three variables. Now let's start implement Stripe SDK. So here is, so first step is we need to require autoload file. So here we will paste this vendor folder and then autoload.php. Stripe SDK integrated. After that, this is a getting started. So what we have to do is we just need to create a Stripe object. So here we are creating a Stripe object, but we need to pass here our secret key. So let's copy the secret key. Okay, secret key copy and paste it here. Okay, perfect. So remember where let me open subscription. Here we need to pass a customer ID as well. So first of all, our first step will be we need to create a customer from the Stripe token. Okay, so first of all we will create a one customer. So how to create a customer? Let's create customer. Okay, go back and GitHub. So here you can see example of creating a customer. So what we do is we create customer variable Stripe customers create. Okay, in this function we need to pass array. So first of all we will pass what will be the customer name. So name will be this, and what will be the email of customer, and email will be this. So we need to pass a source. Source is equal to token that we are getting from post token. So now this will create a customer for us. So let's print if customer is created or not. Let's check. Okay, perfect. Now go back on our page and refresh. It's loading. As you can see, customer has been created, so we just need this customer ID from that object. So we will use this customer ID in subscription. So customer ID will be customer is equal to ID. Okay, so now we have customer ID. Let's create a subscription now. Subscription. Okay. So same thing here. We need to subscription is equal to Stripe subscriptions. Let's check. So here you can see Stripe subscription. Create. Here, first of all, we need to pass customer. So customer ID. Okay. After that, we need to pass items and products that customer are subscribing. Okay. Items is equal to, this will be array. I mean, product can be a multiple product. So this will be array. Price. Here we need to paste our ID. If you remember, we have created a one product. What was free subscription, I think. Let's create a new one. Subscription. Okay. So pricing will be 10 USD per month recurring, and monthly sale product. Okay, we need this ID. Copy this ID and paste it here. So that's it. So now our subscription will be created. Let's print our subscription so we can check the response. if we go back and submit form again, okay, submit. So as you can see, our subscription has been created. We can check this subscription in our dashboard as well. Go to customer and click on subscriptions. So you will get subscription here. As you can see, this subscription is active for now. Okay, you can click on this and you will get more details about subscription. Okay, so now let's check. Here we need to find one thing here. Status. Here we need to check status, and that's, let me echo this in nice way so we can check. So if we'll check status is active, then we will show some message to user. Okay, let's create another subscription. Okay, it's submitting form, it's taking time. Okay, so now another subscription has been created, but we need to check status. Where is status? Security, here is status. Okay, perfect. Now if we will check here, if subscription status is equal to active, then it's mean you have subscribe. Okay, and else problem while typing. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. So now let's test last time. That's it. Submit form and let's wait now. Okay, you have successfully subscribed. Now let's check here as well. So we can check. Okay, so as you can see, subscription has been created successfully. So here is customer name and this subscription is active. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next video. Thank you.